loves! So today we're going to do a Boxycharm unboxing. It is time. We're going to jump into this. If you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a $21 a month beauty subscription. You get about 5 to 6 full-size products every single month, and usually the value is at least $100 more than the cost of the box. So we're just going to jump in. Before we do, please subscribe if you have not already, and if you guys are interested in subscribing to Boxycharm, I do have an affiliate link down below. No pressure at all to use it, but if you use it, then they know that I sent you. Let's jump in. Wildflower. Look how pretty. So Wildflower is the theme of the box. It always comes with all of the products listed so you know the price points. It usually has some sort of coupons on the back, which is cool too. If you really love anything in the box and you want to try more from whatever brand, then you can. And so the first thing on here is the Pretty Vulgar palette. I'm really excited. I haven't tried a ton of Pretty Vulgar, but everything I have tried I've liked. Plus all of their packaging is super cute. This is their Nightingale Smoky eyeshadow palette. It says made up of 12 highly pigmented shades. This Nightingale palette is sure to help you create your best look. The matte shimmer and satin shades are soft in texture, and the luxuriously smooth formula makes for easy blending and long wear. This retails for $35. So this right here is more than the cost of the box. So this is what it looks like. You do get a mirror. I'm just going to hold this upside down so I don't blind you. Here is what the actual palette looks like. It's very cool toned, very smoky. Let's swatch a few of these. This will be the first Pretty Vulgar palette that I have tried. Ooh, guys, that looks really nice. These are swatching really nicely. This palette is definitely not my normal. I'm clearly very into warm tones, especially with fall, but I do feel like having this palette might push me to do a more neutral, cool tone look. I do like cool tone looks when I do them. I just usually have to consciously do them. I have to be like, okay, we're gonna go with a cool tone look today because I will always want to reach for the warm tones. I will always want to reach for like the yellows and the oranges, and like especially right now because we are just getting into fall. I know fall is not here yet technically, but if I'm looking outside right now and it looks like fall to me, so I'm down. I'm in the Pacific Northwest, so we usually get a true fall. I'm ready for it. So I'm pretty impressed with that. Again, even though they aren't the shades that I would normally reach for, it's probably something that I can use in my collection because I always want a warm tone palette. So this is really cool. I'm really excited to try this guy. Those look really beautiful. I'm really loving this shade right here, which is Clutch. It's like the most glittery shade in the palette. This guy, it's beautiful. So excited to try this. Really excited to have this because for me right now, as you guys know, I'm going back to school. I know I said that a lot, but I want to just reiterate it because it's a big reason why I'm not buying as much new makeup. So Boxycharm is something that's great for me because it's super affordable. I'm able to try all this new makeup when I can't really afford to buy a bunch of products. If I bought these all separately, I never could, but now I get to try them and it's such an affordable price. So let's move on to the next thing. I'm really trying to wear more blush because you guys know that I don't really reach for it. I'm always like contour, highlight, boom. I just have so many steps to my process of putting on makeup that I just try and like knock blush out for some reason. I used to have really pink cheeks when I was growing up, so I think that it's just me like rebelling. I don't know. I used to not wear anything on my cheeks, and I look at pictures of that and I was like, why didn't you? I don't know. Now I can't live without a highlight. Highlight is like everything. And contour, I love it. But anyway, the point is we got a blush this time, and this is a Laura Geller blush. It's a Baked and Brighten blush in Tropic Hues. Hopefully this is focusing. If not, this is what it looks like. It's really beautiful. Ooh, girl. This looks like just up my alley. I love pinky peachy blushes. It looks just like the blush I have on, which is a pinky peachy with like a little bit of glow. So that's the blush right there. So it does have a glow to it. It's got like marbled like mattes and shimmers in there. So it is glowy. This guy retails for $28. $28. Girl, that's a lot. So I'm really excited to have this. It just says a glowy flush to your cheeks with this baked blush. I really do like baked blushes. I used to be obsessed with Luminoso like most people. This is really pretty. Ooh, we have something from Alamar Cosmetics. It's a little brush set. I love that Alamar Cosmetics palette. Honestly, that look that I did, it was like a summer makeup look not too long ago, probably a couple months ago. One of my favorite looks I've ever done. It was with that Alamar Cosmetics palette. So the brush set, it says made with 100% synthetic fibers. So I'm assuming, ooh, that is the perfect little flat shader. I feel like I don't have any that are exactly that size, and I feel like that's going to be perfect for creating a cut crease. It's smaller, and I obviously have hooded lids, so I think that will be really great for me. This looks like a really nice blender, so I'm stoked for all three of these, and I I always lose these for some reason, the flat definer brush, and they're just so perfect for getting color on your lower lash line. So this set retails for $18 for all of them? That's not bad. That's not bad because a lot of the brush trios that they put in these boxes are worth more, but to know that you can get these brushes for $18, so if you love them and you need more, or you see this video and you just want the brushes, like that's not bad at all. They look really nice. They're really soft. I'm really stoked in this little flat shader brush. We have a lip color. This is from Lorac. Go Pro with Lorac Pro Liquid Lipstick. This retails for $19. I don't have a lot of Lorac lip products. The couple that I have, I really like. Ooh, so vampy and beautiful. Is it a matte? It says liquid lipstick. Oh my, it's beautiful, you guys. It smells like candy and frosting in one. This is the shade right here. This is so pretty. I'm all about it. I'm all about it. I'm all about it. This might be like the most favorite lip color I've ever gotten in the beauty box. Maybe because we're about to hit fall and like I am ready. I am ready. And this is like perfect. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Could I get away with it with this eye look? I don't know. Oh, we've got one more item. I saw people playing with this thing. So this is from Butter London. This is their Stroke of Wow Roll-On Liner. It says, create precise, ultra-fine winged liner looks with this innovative liquid liner. I'm not going to read the whole thing because I feel like that's going to bore you. It's got a wheel. I hope you guys can see. There we go. Can you see that wheel? Can you see it? Isn't that crazy? I have not tried one of these. I'm scared. Look at that. I mean, it would be fun. I will definitely try it in a video soon. Very excited to try this. This is definitely one of the more innovative things that I have seen in these beauty boxes, so I'm really excited to try this. Okay, so that's everything we got in the box. I am very pleased with this month's box. I'm really obsessed with this lip color and I can't wait to put it on. Even though the eyeshadow palette isn't something that I would reach for, I almost like it more because of that. Okay, so let's add up the cost of this box so we can see what a good deal we got. So the palette was $35, the blush was $28, brushes were $18, lip color was $19, and the liner was $19. $119 is the cost of the box, so if you minus the $21, you got $98 worth of additional product, which, I mean, isn't $100 more, but it pretty much is. It pretty much is. I will take it. Even though this is one of the lesser valued boxes that I have gotten from Boxycharm, I still am really excited about it because I got products that I want to try, products that I want to use, products that are different. Yeah, so I'm excited. I am really pleased with this month's box. Let me know down below if you guys were happy with your Boxycharm this month. If you want to try Boxycharm, what beauty boxes you love the most, just let me know down below in the comments. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxings. And of course, let me know if you do really want to see Boxycharm unboxing where I try it all on my face. Sorry that I can't stop I have so many palettes I want to try, and I usually film one tutorial per time I sit down, because that's usually what I have time for. I'm just about to start school, so I know it's just going to be the same thing, and I'm just a creature of habit. This is what I've been doing the entire time I've been on YouTube. So, but I will try and do that for you if I can. I'm going to stop rambling. I love you guys so much. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And you like Boxycharm unboxings, please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday here on my channel. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. Sorry, I just drank a bunch of coffee. Now I'm like hiccup burping. Ooh, the sun's coming out. Oh, sun's coming out. Crazy. The sun has not been out, like, it's been super cloudy all day, which I love, but I'm happy to see the sun a little bit. Look how pretty. It's so pretty. I'm so ready. And you like Boxycharm unboxing, please unboxing?